right, so it's 8 in the morning right now. I'm getting ready to work out later at 9. Just finished our coffee. Ready for our workout?
Yes.
In a bit? What are you mostly, you scared of anything? What do you think?
I'm just scared that because I haven't worked out in so long that I'll pass out.
I think some of the things that I'm going to be fearful for is, well, see, I haven't really worked out and did all this hyper strengthening in a while. Ever even done it before, but in case I do, just bring the Burger King. Double wops, double wops.
Crazy.
We're currently waiting on Anthony and Rachel to wait for the hyper strength gym. Trying to get our classes on. And, but I'm getting kind of hungry already waiting. Skip the workout sesh. Hyper strength gym, or one of the facilities right over here. Weights. Got Anthony right over there. Goes Rachel right over here. She's ready to work out. Cool, I'm digging the theme right now.
Take a sip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dance.
How you feeling?
Good.
Anthony right there, man.
Thank you, brother.
I got you.
She's going up.
I got you.
She's going. Fucking hurts. Fucking tired. We got our brother out here dying.
Oh, yeah. Woo. Nice control.
There he is. There he is. There he is. Look at
There you go. There you go.
go. Yeah. Break it down, baby. Break that shit down, baby. Break it down, baby. Conclusion, how was it, babe?
It was really good. Much
Was it
needed.
good? Was it much needed?
Much needed.
Tired. Put us through boot camp. It's crazy. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Crazy. Helping us, coach. Thanks for helping us, coach. You're great.
Coach number 2.
You know what I'm saying?
Right here.
That's Bonnie. That's Clyde. You know what I'm saying?